We just wanted to get these resources to people as soon as possible because we know a lot of them are going to have to start going back to work next week.
As tornado victims continue cleanup following devastating storm Sunday morning, the city of OKC says they want to help residents moving forward by giving them as many resources as possible.
We're going to provide information about fencing permits, about contractors, about the demolition permit if someone needs to demolish what's left of their home. We'll have people talking about debris collection and cleanup. If they're having problems with their water, we'll have utilities there to talk about those things.
And while Oklahomans are no stranger to strong storms, OKC hasn't seen one this large in years.
Last large tornado incident happened in 2013, so it's been about 10 years since we've experienced a tornado incident this large.
City says it's never easy and everyone needs a helping hand. And there's 2 of those outreach centers for those impacted by the tornadoes. The first one here on South Choctaw Road at Harmony Christian Church, and the other location here at Wynwood Free Will Baptist Church.
We have about 50 houses that were completely destroyed by the tornado and another about 50 houses that sustained major damage. We know that they've been through a lot and they need a lot of support.
Both outreach centers will be open Thursday and Friday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. There will also be bilingual staff available. We have more information on where to go and what resources are available on KOCO.com. Reporting Elise Jones, KOCO 5 News.